Hello students, myself Archana Varude from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to start chapter number 3 of Elements of Electronics and the title is Transistors. And after watching this video, you will be able to understand what is meant by transistors, what is the full form for BJT and what are the different types of BJT. First we see the concept of transistor. If a small signal is introduced in the low resistance region and the output is taken from the high resistance region, then there will be a higher power gain provided the currents in both the regions are approximately of the same value. And consequently, this device can transfer a signal current from a low resistance to a high resistance, and such a device is given the name transistor, that is transfer the resistance, and thus the contraction of the word transfer resistor will be transistor. Then what is the definition of transistor? The name transistor is given to a solid state semiconductor, that is electronic device, which is capable of transferring a signal current from a low resistance PN junction to a high resistance PN junction, causing the amplification action. Or we may write the definition as the solid state semiconductor device which can amplify the weak electrical signal by transferring the signal current from a low resistance PN junction to a high resistance PN junction. It is called as a transistor. Then what are the applications of transistor where the transistors are used? And these are the important applications of transistor, that is also called as a BJT. First is it is used as an amplifier. It is used as an electronic switch. It is used in switching circuits. It is also used as an oscillator. It is used as a multivibrator. It is used in timers and time delay circuits also. It is used as a modulator. It is also used as a detector, and they are also used in logic circuits. These are the applications of transistor. Then what is meant by BJT, or why that BJT named as bipolar? In case of bijunction transistor, that is BJT, the current conduction takes place due to both the electrons and the holes. And in NPN transistor, the current is governed by the electrons as majority charge carriers as well as the holes as minority charge carriers. And similarly, in PNP transistors, the current is governed by holes as a majority charge carriers as well as electrons as a minority charge carriers. And we know that electrons having negative charge and holes have positive charge, and thus the current in transistor flows due to the positive as well as negative polarity charge carriers, and therefore the transistor BJT is called as a bipolar device. BJT means bipolar junction transistor. And this bipolar junction transistor, it is divided into two types, and it is basically a silicon or germanium crystal having two PN junctions formed by sandwiching either p-type or n-type semiconductor between a pair of opposite types. And depending on this, there are two types of BJTs. First is PNP transistor and second is NPN transistor. First we see what is by PNP transistor. This is the diagram or transistor symbol of PNP transistor. First we see how the PNP transistor junction is formed. When a thin layer of N-type semiconductor is placed between two P-type semiconductors, then it is called as a PNP transistor. And if we observe this diagram, it is clear that it has three terminals named as emitter, base and collector. For emitter, symbol used is capital E. For base, symbol is capital B. And for collector, symbol is C. And the PNP transistor has two PN junctions, namely base to emitter and collector to base. That is B to E junction and C to B junction. And here these are the common details for construction of PNP or NPN transistor. Here we take example of PNP transistor. This is emitter terminal, this middle is base terminal and third is collector terminal. First point is the middle region is very thin and it is lightly doped and this region is called as a base. Second is two outer regions are called emitter and collector, but their functions cannot be interchanged. And this is the diagram of construction of PNP transistor. Here in between two p-type semiconductor, n-type semiconductor is sandwiched and therefore it is called as a PNP transistor. Here on left hand side it is a emitter, then middle is base and on another side it is a collector terminal. And here this arrow shows the direction of flow of that electrons. These are the free electrons and these are the negative ions, and holes denoted by white dots and they are positive ions. And here there is a depletion region is created in between P and N. The PNP transistor has two crystal diodes connected back to back. The left side of the diode is known as the emitter base diode. Here this is emitter base diode. And the right side of the diode is known as the collector base diode. This is collector base diode. The hole is the majority carriers of the PNP transistor which constitute the current in it. Because here N it is the base. This is the middle region and it is lightly doped and therefore there is a majority of holes, that means positive charges. And the current inside the transistor is constituted because of the changing position of the holes, and in the leads of the transistor it is because of the flow of the electrons. Here these electrons and holes are changing their positions. The PNP transistor turns on when small current flows through the base, that means due to the middle region. And the direction of the current in NPN transistor is from the emitter to the collector. Here from emitter to collector region. That's all about PNP transistor. Thank you.